Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fry fish an oil-only way. Start by patting the fish completely dry, then lightly season with salt and pepper. Dust both sides with flour or a thin batter for even browning. Let the fish rest while you heat the oil to maintain temperature control. Prepare a plate lined with paper towels so cooked fish drains immediately for best crispness. Maintain oil between 350 degrees F and 375 degrees F for a steady fry and golden crust. Heat slowly to avoid smoking and use a deep pan so oil depth covers half to 2/3 of the fillet. Test with a small piece of batter. It should sizzle and rise immediately. Adjust heat in small increments to keep the oil consistent and ensure even cooking from edge to center without burning the exterior. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep sharing simple cooking tips. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for the link and other deals that pair nicely with kitchen playlists. It's a fun little upgrade for cooking nights and hands-free timers. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Gently lower the fish into hot oil and avoid crowding the pan to keep oil temperature consistent. Fry fillets until they are golden brown and firm, flipping once for even color and texture. Use a slotted spatula to transfer to a rack or paper towels to drain excess oil. Let fish rest for a few minutes so juices redistribute and the crust sets, producing a crisp, tender result that's ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.